What would be advice to your younger self, Graham?
Poor advice to my younger self.
Yeah.
Um, well, I know it's not directly related to energy efficiency, but definitely don't forget about your health. I think staying fit and healthy is so important for your productivity in any role. I think, you know, I let my health sort of, I got away. I'm one of those people who's sort of skinny and doesn't put on weight, but that doesn't mean that's not something that needs to be done. In these types of roles, we do a lot of sitting, a lot of focused work in front of a computer. It can take a real toll on your body physically, neck, back, um, and all of that eventually erodes the mental side as well, especially if you end up with some weaknesses or problems. So I guess that's my tip of the day is don't forget about your health. Get, I never thought I would, but I've been going to the gym every week for a year with a personal trainer, and it's just made a massive difference to my mental well-being, my productivity. So as far as energy efficiency goes, I'm just trying to think. I guess just stay curious. Don't stop learning. Um, there's so much technology development in these spaces, so it's hard to keep up with all of that. But I just just keep just and just focus on the basics, I guess, of what's going to I think the world's gone mad with platforms. So you could have like 10 different platforms. They're not going to solve your problem. You still need that human um, involvement, that human leadership, that human champion to to drive good outcomes in energy efficiency. So, a platform can be a really powerful tool. They're all tools, but you need people like us to help drive those tools to get the best out of them, to get the best outcomes.
Okay. So if I can kind of summarize what you've said, look after yourself, stay healthy. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Be curious. Yeah. Yeah. And I guess the third one, if I can kind of paraphrase it or put it in a different way, is you're valuable. Like, yeah, you've got a yeah, an energy engineer's role is really valuable because it's not it's just going to happen. You need people to drive it
It's
and yeah,
definitely valuable. There's
yeah, yeah.
a lot of people who just, they just don't really understand all the different uh, dimensions of what it takes and to get the benefits out of energy management. Um, so yeah, it's definitely there's so many more roles and positions that relate to what we do now than what there was when I first started. It's uh, that which is good news. And now with such big agenda items, businesses wanting to decarbonize, there's more and more um, pressure on the market to provide those skills.